Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak perfect. First, select a quality cut, at least 1½ inches thick, for an even cook. Allow your steak to sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes before it hits the pan. This helps ensure a more consistent cook from edge to edge. Then, season it generously on all sides with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Don't be shy with the seasoning. It builds that incredible flavor. Next, let's talk about the sear. Get your cast iron skillet screaming hot over high heat. You want it smoking slightly before adding any oil. Then, add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as grapeseed or avocado oil, to the pan. Carefully place your steak in the hot skillet and sear it for 2 to 3 minutes per side. This creates that irresistible, deeply browned crust we all love. After searing, transfer your steak to a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit to finish cooking. This method ensures the inside cooks evenly without overcooking the exterior. Use a reliable meat thermometer to check for your desired doneness. For a perfect medium rare, aim for an internal temperature between 130 and 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, precision is key for a tender, juicy result. Finally, and this step is crucial, let your steak rest. Transfer it to a cutting board and allow it to sit for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period allows the internal juices, which have been pushed to the center during cooking, to redistribute throughout the entire cut. This ensures every bite is incredibly tender and juicy. Then, slice your steak against the grain into 1/2 inch thick pieces for the best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.